Only a true professional knows how to work with potatoes. See? Perfect slices. How beautiful and smooth they are. Just like that. And let's add seasonings. What a delicious smell. The only thing left is to fry them properly. Yeah, almost done.
Yeah.
It smells great. Toaster is fast and efficient. Come on, we agree on that, right? The only thing left is to wait a little bit. And… yay! Got it! My French fries are ready. And here I am. Now, let's put the potato on the plate. So appetizing. Just sprinkle with herbs. It smells wonderful. Just look at her. Here I have a real potato and real French fries. And the finishing touch is the sauce.